I know you see the time come to me, and I don't need to let you know. The world will simply let you go. And I believe in self-esteem. I believe in ecstasy. And I know you are just too far away. You find the world will scar you. Believe and see and breathe. You succumb to everyone. And I know you need to see the world pass through your eyes until you're full. And I know you need to come down too. The time will come when we are through. So walk now, see how, feel like it ain't allowed. And walk now, see proud, feel loud, it's not allowed. And I need to let you know, feeling like we ought to go. And I need to see it right, feeling like this is alright. You feel you're fine, you lose your mind, you see in time, you feel so fine. And you believe in things to come, feeling like we all are one. And I need to let you know that coming down, it goes so slow. And I need to feel alright, seeming so, seeming bright. You know, you need, you feel, you breathe, you let it all come back to me. You need, you know, you feel, you flow, you find it all in this echo. And I need to feel alright, feeling like I'll put up a fight. And I know what to do, feeling like this is all through. You say you're mine, you feel you're right, you see it running out of time. You go, you say you drift away, you feel like you are here to stay. You know, you go, you go, you go, you know. You show, you just show.